Hydroponics. Good for the earth, good for your wallet. Ever thought about growing your own food, without soil? Imagine harvesting fresh, crisp vegetables right from your backyard, even if you don't have a lot of space or fertile ground. It's easier than you think with hydroponics. This innovative method allows you to cultivate plants using a nutrient-rich water solution, bypassing the need for traditional soil. Hydroponics is like giving plants a direct line to the good stuff they need to grow: water and nutrients. No dirt needed. And guess what? This method can actually accelerate plant growth and increase yields. You can build your own hydroponic system with stuff you'd normally toss in the recycling bin. Old plastic bottles, PVC pipes, and even unused containers can be repurposed to create a thriving garden. That's right, we're talking about turning trash into a garden. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also saves you money on gardening supplies. It's good for the planet, and it's good for your wallet. By growing your own food, you cut down on grocery bills and reduce your carbon footprint. Plus, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of eating something you've grown yourself, so why not give hydroponics a try? Your garden, your wallet, and the earth will thank you. Let's face it, our planet's drowning in plastic. Every little bit we can do to reuse and recycle makes a difference. Building a hydroponic garden with recycled materials is a double win. You're keeping plastic out of landfills and growing your own fresh food. Talk about feeling good. Plus, finding these materials is easy. We're talking about stuff you probably already have lying around your house. Ready to get your hands dirty? Hydroponic gardening is a fantastic way to grow plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water instead. And the best part? You can find many of the supplies you need right around your home. Let's dive into some common household items that can be repurposed for your hydroponic garden. Here's what you'll need to start your own recycled hydroponic garden. First up, let's talk about containers. Plastic bottles. Those empty soda bottles, they make perfect planters. Simply cut them in half, and you have a ready-made container for your plants. Plus, they're lightweight and easy to move around. Glass jars, got some old pickle jars? They're great for herbs. Clean them out, and you have a clear container that lets you see the root growth and water levels. Perfect for windowsill gardens. PVC pipes. Leftover plumbing supplies? Hello, nutrient film technique, NFT system. These pipes can be cut and arranged to create channels for your nutrient solution to flow through, providing a constant supply of nutrients to your plants. Rain gutters. Time to put those old gutters to good use. They can be mounted on walls or fences to create vertical gardens, making efficient use of space and providing excellent drainage for your hydroponic setup. Don't forget the hydroponic essentials. These are the key components that will keep your garden thriving. Air pump. To keep those roots breathing. An air pump ensures that oxygen is continuously supplied to the water, which is crucial for healthy root development. Air stone creates those oxygen bubbles. Paired with the air pump, an air stone diffuses the air into tiny bubbles, increasing the oxygen levels in the water and promoting vigorous plant growth. Growing medium, think cocoa coir or perlite. These materials provide support for your plant's roots while allowing for excellent water retention and aeration. Nutrient solution. The plant food that makes it all happen. This solution contains all the essential minerals and nutrients your plants need to grow strong and healthy. The best part? You can find most of this stuff for cheap or even free. By repurposing items you already have, you not only save money, but also contribute to a more sustainable way of gardening. So, start looking around your home and get creative with your hydroponic garden setup. Happy gardening! Here are a few simple hydroponic systems you can build with recycled materials. These projects are not only eco-friendly, but also cost-effective, making them perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Let's dive into the world of DIY hydroponics and discover how easy it is to grow your own plants at home. Bottle hydroponics, Kratky method. This method is one of the simplest forms of hydroponics. To start, cut a 2-liter bottle in half. This will create the two main components of your system, the reservoir and the plant holder. In the top half, which will be placed upside down, insert a net pot with your chosen plant. The net pot will hold the plant securely and allow the roots to grow downwards into the nutrient solution. Fill the bottom half of the bottle with a nutrient solution. This solution will provide all the essential nutrients your plant needs to grow. Suspend the top half inside the bottom half, ensuring that the plant's roots are submerged in the solution. This setup allows the plant to absorb nutrients directly from the water, promoting faster growth. PVC pipe NFT system, the nutrient film technique, NFT, is another popular hydroponic method. Start by cutting PVC pipes into your desired lengths and capping the ends to create a closed system. This will serve as the channels through which the nutrient solution flows. Next, drill holes in the top of the PVC pipes. These holes will hold the net pots that contain your plants. Make sure the holes are evenly spaced to allow each plant enough room to grow. Connect the pipes to a reservoir filled with nutrient solution. Use a submersible pump to circulate the solution through the pipes. An air stone can be added to oxygenate the water, ensuring that the roots receive enough oxygen. This continuous flow of nutrients and oxygen promotes healthy plant growth. Jar herb garden. For a simple and elegant hydroponic setup, you can use glass jars. Start by thoroughly cleaning out your glass jars to remove any residues that might harm your plants. Fill the jars with water and add your herb cuttings. Herbs like basil, mint, and oregano are great choices for this method. The water will provide the necessary hydration for the cuttings to develop roots. Place the jars in a sunny spot where they can receive plenty of light. It's important to change the water every few days to prevent stagnation and ensure the plants have a fresh supply of nutrients. This method is perfect for growing fresh herbs right in your kitchen. Gutter planter. Transforming rain gutters into planters is a creative way to grow plants in a limited space. Start by sealing the ends of your rain gutters to create a container that can hold soil and plants. Drill drainage holes along the bottom of the gutters to allow excess water to escape. Fill the gutters with a suitable growing medium, such as potting soil or a soil-less mix, which will support the plants and retain moisture. Plant your seedlings in the gutters, spacing them appropriately to give each plant enough room to grow. Elevate the gutters to ensure proper drainage and to make it easier to tend to your plants. This setup is ideal for growing a variety of vegetables and herbs in a compact space. Not all plants love the hydroponic life. Here are some easy winners for beginners. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale, they'll be thriving in no time. And don't forget about herbs such as basil, mint, and parsley, fresh herbs at your fingertips. Oh, and microgreens packed with nutrients, and they grow super fast. Want to take your eco-friendliness to the next level? Here's how. Rainwater harvesting. Free water from the sky? Yes, please. Composting. Turn those plant trimmings into nutrient-rich compost. And repurposing containers, get creative and find new uses for old containers. Hydroponics is pretty low maintenance, but your plants still need some TLC. Check water levels. Don't let your plants go thirsty. Monitor pH and nutrient levels. Keep things balanced for happy plants. And clean regularly to prevent algae buildup and keep things sparkling clean. Saving money, growing food, the cost advantage of recycled hydroponics. Let's talk dollars and cents. Building a hydroponic system with recycled materials can save you a bundle compared to buying new. New system, $100 to $500 or even more. DIY recycled system, $20 to $50 depending on what you already have. That's a lot of extra cash you can spend on other things, like more plants. Troubleshooting your hydroponic garden. Common problems and solutions. Don't worry, every gardener runs into challenges. Here's how to tackle common hydroponic hiccups. Leaks. Seal those cracks with silicone sealant or waterproof tape. Durability. Reinforce your structures with extra support or stronger materials. Algae growth. Block out excess light and keep things clean. From trash to tables. Inspiring stories of recycled hydroponics. People all over the world are proving that recycled hydroponics is more than just a hobby, it's a sustainable solution. From urban communities transforming vacant lots into green spaces, to families growing fresh food in their own backyards, recycled hydroponics is empowering people to take control of their food supply and reduce their environmental impact. Grow your own food, save the planet. Start your hydroponic journey today. So, what are you waiting for? Grab those empty bottles, dust off those old jars, and let's get growing. Hydroponics is a fun, rewarding, and sustainable way to grow your own food. And with a little creativity and some recycled materials, you can create a thriving garden that's good for you, your wallet, and the planet. Get out there and get your hands dirty.